To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add auto captions in CapCut for TikTok videos. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add auto captions in CapCut for TikTok videos, then all you gotta do is simply go to CapCut app or website. Once you're in CapCut, you need to now choose your product, or like you need to choose your project which you want to work on. Once you have selected your project as well, you can simply find the text icon right over there. Simply tap on text. Now, once you tap on text, you can find the option called Auto Caption. Simply tap on it, and once you turn on the video of your selected project and play the voice, now the Auto Caption feature will detect your voice, or you can also choose your language and hit the generate button. After this, you can get a transcript that is created by CapCut itself. Now you can use batch, edit, and style to progress this process. You can edit the fonts, colors, animation, lines, and readable subtitles. This process works for both mobile and desktop versions and is a very crucial thing for watch without sound engagement on platforms like TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.